Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow deleting apps on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, we scroll down and go to the Restrictions section, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now in here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, make sure it is switched on. Then in here, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Then tap on Deleting Apps. In here you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. So if I choose Don't Allow right now, and if I try to go and delete an app from my home screen in the app library, you can see if I touch and hold on that, I can tap on Remove App, but this only allows me to remove the shortcut from the home screen. Likewise, if I go into App Library, and if I try to open up VLC, and if I try to remove it, there is no delete option. Now if I go back in here and choose Allow, then go back into my app library, you can see now, so I'm just going to wait for that to refresh. It may take some time to refresh it. So VLC, sorry, and then touch and hold, and now the delete app option will appear. And that's it. So that is how you can set that restriction on your iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.